This is the mitral valve in systole as the surgeon sees it. You will find that this is the anterior mitral leaflet and that is the posterior mitral leaflet. This is the valve transilluminated to show you the clear zone. This is the opened out left ventricle to show us the mitral veil. That is the aorta. My instrument is coming through the aorta. So that is the region of the aortomitral continuity. This is the AML. The clear zone is here and the coapting rough zone is there. The two papillary muscles are seen here and the caudal apparatus. The PML is towards both the outside ends and that has been cut. So if it comes like this, you will find that that would be the PML there. So what we see here mostly is the anterior mitral. This is the mitral veil. When you open out the mitral valve, the anterior leaflet and the mural leaflet, so this is how it is seen. This is a specimen which we opened out to show you the mitral veil. You see the large anterior mitral leaflet. The clear zone and the rough zone and the ridge in between can be seen very nicely. The mitral leaflet is lined by the mitral leaflet is lined by endocardium. This endocardium is kind of bunched up at the ridge and that divides the clear zone and the rough zone. The rough zone is that area of the leaflet which coapts with its counterpart opposite. The clear zone does not coapt with anything. The papillary muscles are seen in this particular picture. The one on the left hand side is bulkier and gives off multiple chordae. The one on the right hand side is probably got 3 heads and gives off fewer chordae from the apex of the heads.